From this video, you will learn concept of over reinforcement section, then diagram, how to draw the diagram, then what should be the value of the moment of resistance, then we talk about some features. Hello friend, I am Samadi, back to a new tutorial video regarding RCC. In my last video, I talked about under reinforcement section. In case you missed this video, definitely you will find some I button, go and check out. Otherwise you go to the playlist section, then you find the RCC playlist and just check out the last video. Without further delay, let's get started. First we talk about a concept. Here the combination number 3 is working. Combination number 3 means the third combination, that was strain stress in compression zone first reached, then tensile zone. This is the key term. So here what happened? In concrete, permissible stress reached first and steel is in under stressed, not crossing the permissible stress. Yeah. That is the concept. So now we understanding the diagram. First I draw the beam cross section. This is your neutral axis and this is your the diagram. In over reinforced section, what happened? Concrete reach fast but still is under stressed. So in that scenario, if I connect these two lines, how we connect? So clearly we have seen that this is neutral axis for over reinforcement section and this is neutral axis for balance section. Okay. So from diagram I can say that neutral axis over reinforcement section is greater than neutral axis balanced section, and so this is much more important. And if I consider the over under reinforcement section, then what happen? Neutral axis over reinforcement section is greater than neutral axis balance section. Neutral axis balance section greater than neutral axis under reinforcement section. That is the relation between neutral axis. So lever arm क्या होगा? Suppose this is lever arm for balance section. Lever arm for under reinforcement section is much more greater than this, and this is also greater than lever arm for over reinforcement section. So these are very small concepts which may exam you find in exam. Okay? And it will clear to you when you understand this drawing. Now we talk about the moment of resistance. Tell me one thing, steel or concrete, who attain the first permissible stress? Concrete attain first permissible stress. Okay. Then moment due to external counteract with moment of resistance, that is equal to moment due to compression. That means that equal to half sigma CBC Bn dn by 3, where sigma CBC is your permissible stress in concrete, B is breadth, n is your neutral axis, actual, and d equal to overall depth. Okay, this is the moment of resistance. Now we talk about few features. What? Number one, concrete attain first in permissible stress value, whereas steel is in under stress. Number three, material should be brittle because lever arm is lesser than balance section. Number four, as it is brittle failure, the failure will be brittle failure, so it is unsafe. You can say sudden failure. Number 5, percentage of steel much more higher than percentage of steel in balance section. Okay. Number 6 is these sections are not economical also. Okay, so yeah, this is the video regarding overt enforcement section where I discussed the concept, diagram, moment of resistance, features. So hope you have no doubt. In case if you have some doubt, do comment in comment section. I will definitely get back to you. And yeah, if you find some value from this video, then definitely like the video, circulate this video to your groups and circle. And for more content, subscribe this channel. In next video, we will talk about how to solve the beam problem. How to solve the beam problem. Okay. So till then, bye bye, take care, and yeah, thank you for watching this video.